Alright, here we go. Random players, box number 7 of Flawless Soccer. Good luck, everybody. 173 total spots. Roll the 1 again. 1 plus 3, 4 times. With your names first, we got YBJ on the bottom and 1 of 1 on the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. More 86 up top. D. Garrigan on the bottom. Alright, the players. Ibrahimovic on the bottom, Lalana on the top. 1, 2, 3, fourth and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. 4. Patrice Evra on the top. And Miroslav Klose on the bottom. Alright, with your usernames A to Z, 1 of 1 on the top, down to Buster Bumgarner 30. Like I said that Lucas went for a shutout. There's a Pelé and a Pepe. Pepe and Pelé. B-Wig 31 to 60. D&H Martin. I thought the first time I saw it too, Andrew, I thought that Pelé was on there twice. $61.90 Duber AZ to KW. Kwidjaja 91. KD. Yeah, sorry. KD. $91 to 120. KD to Oil Fan 14. $121 to 150. Orient Card Shop to Thunder Cards. See, there's the one. Pepe. And there's Pelé. Pelé? Pepe. $151 down to 173. Thunder Cards to YBJ. PP. Like this one's Kaka. You get Kaka and PP in here. Good luck, everybody. We'll break in a couple minutes.